Conversation 1. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you.
That's great to hear. So, did you have a chance to review the chapter we covered last week?
Yes, I did. I went through the material and I think I have a good understanding of it.
Excellent. What questions do you have about it?
I was wondering if you could go over the part about the cell membrane again. I'm still a little confused about how it works.
Of course. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane that surrounds the cell and separates the interior from the external environment. It's made up of a lipid bilayer, which has hydrophobic tails facing inward and hydrophilic heads facing outward. This structure allows for selective transport of molecules in and out of the cell.
Okay, I think I understand it better now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions or concerns about the material?
Not at the moment, but I'll be sure to let you know if anything comes up.
Sounds good. Remember to keep up with the reading and studying, and don't hesitate to ask me any questions you may have. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Conversation 2. Hi there. I noticed that you didn't do as well on the last test as you were hoping. How are you feeling about that?
I'm pretty disappointed. I thought I had studied enough, but obviously not.
Okay. Well, let's take a look at what might have gone wrong. Did you have any trouble with specific concepts or topics?
Yeah, I struggled with the math section. I just couldn't remember some of the formulas.
I see. Well, let's work on that together. I can give you some extra practice problems to help reinforce those formulas, and we can go over them in class if you have any questions.
That would be helpful. Thank you.
Of course. And if you need extra help outside of class, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to support you.
Okay, I will. But I'm also worried about how this will affect my overall grade in the class.
I understand. But one test does not determine your entire grade. We have other assessments throughout the semester, and you still have plenty of time to improve.
That's true. I'll make sure to put in more effort and focus on studying harder.
That's a good attitude to have. Remember that your grades are ultimately a reflection of your effort and dedication. If you continue to work hard and seek help when needed, I'm confident you can improve.
Thank you for your support. I'll do my best.
You're welcome. I'm always here to help. Conversation 3. Good morning, everyone. As you all know, we have a school trip coming up next month. How are you feeling about it?
I'm really excited. I can't wait to go on a trip with my classmates.
That's great to hear. We'll be going to the Science Museum in the city. It'll be a fun and educational experience.
Wow, I've never been there before. What exhibits will we see?
There are a lot of exhibits to explore, from biology to astronomy. We'll be focusing on the human body and the solar system, but we'll have some free time to check out other exhibits as well.
Sounds like a lot of fun. How long will we be there for?
We'll be leaving early in the morning and returning in the late afternoon. It'll be a full day, so make sure you get plenty of rest the night before.
Okay, I will. Do we need to bring anything with us?
Yes, you'll need to bring a bag lunch and water bottle. We'll also be doing a lot of walking, so make sure you wear comfortable shoes and dress for the weather.
Got it. Thank you for letting us know.
No problem. And just a reminder, this is still a school day, so we'll be expecting good behavior and attentiveness from everyone.
Understood. I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too. It's going to be a great day of learning and fun. Conversation 4. Hi there. I wanted to talk to you about some extra classes that we're offering after school. Have you heard about them?
No, I haven't. What are they about?
They're optional classes that you can attend after school to get extra practice and support in your coursework. We have classes in math, English, and science.
That sounds like a good idea. Do I have to pay to attend?
No, the classes are free. We want to make sure that all of our students have access to extra help when they need it.
That's great. When are the classes held?
They'll be held twice a week after school for about an hour. You can attend as many or as few classes as you need.
Okay, that sounds doable. What kind of activities will we do in the classes?
It depends on the subject and the needs of the students. We might go over homework or practice problems, review concepts that you're struggling with, or do some extra reading and writing exercises.
I see. Will there be any tests or assessments?
No, the classes are meant to be a supportive environment, not an additional source of stress. We won't be giving any grades or assessments, but we do want to see you making progress and improving your skills.
Okay, I'm interested in attending the math class. When does it start?
The math class starts next week. I'll give you a handout with the details and the schedule so you can sign up.
Thank you, that's really helpful. I appreciate the opportunity to get some extra support.
Of course. We're always here to help you succeed. Don't hesitate to ask if you need anything else. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my new videos.